Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, this is Judge Dwayne, as he is in another court session, and this time his name has been called. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video to see what Dwayne has to say about this situation here. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, have yourself a happy one. And I wish you joy, love, peace, prosperity, happiness, and joy throughout this year. And for everyone out there that celebrates Easter, have a happy Easter to you all. And for all my lovelies, my new followers, subscribers, friends, and my new lovelies out there, and my lovelies that have been here with me from day one. I wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful day today. Enjoy your day, and don't let anyone get the best of you. Love you all.
To do it for him. These are the people you content support, right? I saw one over here showing like a Gemma. Mighty God. Let us continue the people's case. Let's continue to deliberate the people in case.
True. We don't have a shelter for yourself, but dirty nasty blood clot. Stinking hot water got Maxine. And Dwayne, we have blood clots, we have pampers. You could have got Jamaica, you got 99, and you on a flight, take it chair, them up with that blood clot here. Smack. A beer flight, take it chair, them up with that money chair. That Dwayne have leakage. And the pampers soak like been boiling and change the pampers. But Gully Papa we a shit, but used to be a shit man. And Gully back put them there, you know, see them fly. And you put them there. And fly, take it chair, them up the burn up the blood clot chair. Every night boy I kick blood clot, cold. When I go keep cold for your shitty self. And the cap. Me don't want to cause cap people, but I do it me attack.
Him say man.
Shitty back you do it. Every time you get to go England, free money you send it Ghana and Egypt. Man don't want you. Nobody don't want you because when they fuck you, you bleed. We don't never pile in your body or what. But every man fuck you, you bleed. And that's why I take heed. You still have fuck on a blood up the people, them and we have pampers. And I stuff your body. And sit now. That's why you leave up. But that's because you're out. You're dirty nasty rat, but you keep going. Look at your teeth and yellow. You know shit like a belly. All your teeth are yellow. I'm not like you every day you come back one. Hey. You don't see a blast on your teeth. Don't take 5 paper cover your teeth and do it.
Pause. Lady, the only response I have for you is that women of your character, women of your ethics, women of your morals is an open disgrace. And people like you, I will never waste my breath on, right? I will not. So, if I was ashamed, only thing I tell you, if I was ashamed, I wouldn't be on my camera every day. I don't live in the dark, I live in the light, right? Can I say the same about your people? With that being said, talk your talk and keep pushing. I am good over here, and I'm going to have my courthouse every day. I don't know. On the door, might go get wait. The best is yet to come. And that's it. Let's continue the people them case. I'm not giving a normal response. That's all she got. Nothing else. She don't deserve nothing else.
If you can't afford dentist, you're supposed to get free medical in England. why you can't buy dentist? Because we take care of your teeth. Huh? You must supposed to stink. Good gosh. Well, you too nasty, man. You let the little pick me alone. And all them dirty followers, they want to find your life. But them are judge and jury and they simply. Well, you not even make one.
She is. She's watching. She has to watch. You're addicted. It's fine. I respect it. Thank you for your support.
Vaccine producer, what I know, I'm putting a barrel. And people, everybody come sit down, you know. And roll on the catch the barrel and roll it to acid down, you know. In a barrel and roll it down in a river. And you know, make one we are talking about the people, let the people, let the prosper. Good God, man, you could get that trouble, you know. No pass me your daughter, I do it, eh? I'm a 16-year-old and 17-year-old and 16. She takes so much blood clot, man. And so much contract in your daughter. It ain't nobody can't even count it. If they take a microscope, they must go take a microscope and look up in your daughter pussy. You know that cocky chopper in the mattress.
All right, we can stop now. I wanted you guys to hear this disgraceful human being. I'm going to say, lady, you are the perfect definition of what a disgraceful human being is like. People like you, I will never give my time to, nor my breath, nothing. You are not worth my time. Do you? While me over here to do me and have fun. Understand? Don't you see? I'm still having my courthouse. I'm having my court, right? People are still watching me, right? Even if, right? That is the good question. Anyways, let us move into Exhibit B. Exhibit B comes in the form of, guys, please like and share. Please like and share. We're only having fun with conversation. We're asking questions and listen, we're not over here dragging that, and no, we're not tearing on nobody. We're just having a courthouse case with myself and my jurors. That's it. Let us move into Exhibit B. Exhibit B comes in a form of Porty. This exhibit, trust me, Porty, you have been summoned to the court. Come forth. No, see you over your page. Sit right there. Because you said some things today. I want my jurors to hear the things you said about that girl, Shanae. I want them to hear. And people, this doesn't mean I'm seeking brownie points or I'm seeking validation or anything from none of them. I'm good by myself. I am. Me, I'm a wig. I'm a judge outfit good by myself. Let us move on to Porty though, because I want to hear some things. that part, Yolanda, that part.
Under this condition, no lie, you can't come out of shadow.
Nothing is wrong with that.
Did you hear what Porty said? In this condition, no lawyer cannot come out of Shanae. My question to my jurors, outside spectators, based on what Porty has just said, is Porty correct? Do you see a lawyer in Shanae Bowles? I have to ask. Based on what Porty said, do you see lawyer in Shanae Bowles? Let's continue with the exhibit. Because darlings, she's just starting. Let's continue. She's just starting.
Listen what me say. The dragging, the putting out,
And she's telling people not to donate to the little girl, to the young girl. Donate to her. Why should they donate to you?
Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back to the beginning. Because I'm wanting to hear very good. I listen. Open your ears. Jurors, open your ears. Because trust me, this one, I think takes the cake. This one, take the cake. I want if you hear what Porter said. And speak your minds and do not be afraid. Let's continue. Let's jump into it. Let's jump right into it. From the beginning.
Under this condition, no liar can come out of shadow.
Nothing is wrong with that, dear.
Listen what me say. The dragging, the putting out,
And she's telling people not to donate to the little girl, to the young girl. Donate to her. Why should they donate to you? Why can't they donate to the school?
On TV, you know what or something? People, don't donate to Shade, donate to me. And that's what she say. She on TV, we say, people, me I help her with the cash up, so who wants to send Western Union, send it to Shade? Why nobody don't figure man she a go deal with it? She a Shade mama? Shade a big woman, she's a mother. Well, you have a cash up.
You're not here.
You have a cash up. Lady, anybody can go over your way. All me can go over your way. All me can go up. Me done so me can go up at the college where the top side me and so. And that me I tell you. Me can go up a case.
She just starting wait.
Then all chicken then teach you up the farm. So anybody can go to university the right side of me. Google it, blessed one. Google it where university where the side of me and so. Everything up there. Google it.
She just started.
Yes. A Portland. Google it. And me can go there and me done. If I even figure learn for giant mango tree and plum tree together, we could have still have on the case tag here so. Yeah. And the one them wearing a higher class down me, I see them shirt, them all get to wear. Everybody are going to wear the same case shirt. And you wouldn't know say a chicken may learn to pick them pick. You would have say, look, there's a landlord that got college there. And a chicken may go up to go learn how to pick it pick. And the whole way I wear the same logo. You now go sit for me say, Case College or Case University landlord I learn to pick chicken pick. No. Who up there do lawyer, who are the doctor, who are the teacher, this side not depend them. All of the shirt them mark the same thing.
You make a good point. You make a good point in the comments. May I read on the comments? She's just starting wait. On the wait, she's just starting wait.
It is true. If me go tomorrow morning and I go up a case, you don't know if a teacher me do I want a chicken pick me up there pick. I learn to pick. You know what? When chicken have pick, I have to pick off that piece or something there. Yeah. Me can't go up there. One day me did say me I got buff beer go do the bed and breakfast. And me could have find me a stuff to do. Me I go wear the same tag. And me done slack a rat bat. So no be careful when I say me not fight against nobody, but she's not a little girl and stop calling her a little girl. Make she know that she's a mother. She have to play a mother part. She is a mother. And tell her to use one polybag when she a joke. So she no become the second mother. Cause the something where them call robbers, it easy for boss. And birth control can't save you. So it better she use a polybag. Or call me, make me teach him how to slip shot. Because you can't slip shot too, but your mind have to clear. Because if you have money, you don't want to use rubbers. You don't want to use polybag. So you should not know where she do. She become a mother again. Those are the things you know to sit behind the scene. And top care the pitney business out here control. Because once you don't carry out here, all drunk her like me or get if you talk about. You think if you don't ever put you out here, more than know about it? Notice Urian or Urian do film live then.
Pause. Based on what Porter just said, if they didn't put out this whole conversation, would social media have known about it? My question to you, the jurors, are, did they do this knowing that we was going to pick it up and then flip the script on us? What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comments.
Notice it. You can't chat. But when I not the Urian business in pan out here, she carry out everything. Me never say impossible. I say she forget a good start where she can do it on the side. But all these trouble and problem bring you down. Me can't tell her say she can't be. You can't be anything where you want to be in life. But how you get it? By coming out here and this year one year help her, if she make one mistake, me nah bother help her. A long time me dey pray. Me nah bother this, me nah bother that, me nah this, me nah. No, I stress. Give her a full shade if you hear me. Take one 6-week course in a fingernail. Because you always aware. A wig. A town you live. It can help you in the long run. And help you on an easier move because you have something to push you through. Right now, me I go with me here and I want case girl I go with me here from back college or so. You know what she do? And last night, yesterday evening, and me said, Jesus, you know me have to go make she with me here. You know why? She had do it on a girl college. And I down the road, and here neat what she did I do. And me say, girl, me love what you do. As a young girl and you hustle on the side for me. She said when she up there, at evening time, she do the good boy them here.
Based on what Porter just said about that young lady who goes to school and work on the side to make 2 ends meet to pay her school fee, isn't this something everyone should try and implement in them life, especially if you come from a low income home? Shouldn't you, if you want to elevate yourself, shouldn't you want to try to find a solution to make 2 ends meet instead of coming out here and begging outright, because begging is the easiest thing to do? This is why I say, do you think we have normalized begging? Have we normalized begging? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue with what this damn exhibit. Let's continue. In fact, let's go back and hear this part again, because I want to hear reports about the young girl.
And me say, girl, me love what you do. As a young girl and you hustle on the side for me.
Hustling.
She said when she up there,